Hey again, guys, it's Mr. P. Just a reminder that you go to flyparsons.info, which again is our class website. And when you go here, couple reminders, you can always look up at the top. There's some important things that we'll use later, but here's a quick reminder that there is a homework page, and you can start today, Wednesday, August 5th, clicking on the homework page, and it's found right here. And hopefully it will open. There it goes. And when it comes up, you will go to quarter one, which is 9 weeks, number one. Again, super slow. And up here you see quarter one. And when quarter one opens, you will see, come on now, there's this week, and here is August 5th, right? All right, when you click on that, it's going to ask to download. I just automatically did it. It's going to download a Word document, and it's going to be a Word document because that way you can link to the two meetings that you have today. So 9 a.m. you have the community gathering again, and you click on that and it will set up the Teams meeting. You can see it's hyperlinked. Then 11:30 is the mindful meeting. At 12 o'clock we'll have our class Zoom, and then here are reminders of what you are working on today. You're working in your literacy course on Schoology, day 2, your math course, also day 2. You have one thing for the whole week in science and one thing for the whole week in social studies. And then you also now have the Schoology SEL course. And then there are some questions there that I'm asking for you to make sure that you are clear about, or some notes. One, I will remind you, is that your attendance every day is taken by you working on your Schoology assignments. And all the Schoology assignments are always going to be due on the end of the week. So you have until the end of the week and finish those up by the weekend. Remember to not forget to come to the Zoom meeting today. Don't forget to change your contact, my contact in your phone and your iPad both, to the text tone that you know is me. Don't forget, when you're using the Flipgrid, if you're working on a Flipgrid assignment, that you log in with Google using your Megsmail email account. You also can start your typing web. Let your parents know that I am working on getting out the Schoology codes, and I hope to get those all emailed out to everybody. And you can now get into your Live School account and go through Clever to do that. Also practice making sure you've gone to the MNPS Office 365 email with your MNPS login, just like you go to Clever, but for the email, because you also have a calendar there. And next week, when we're having our actual subject lessons, you'll go to the calendar on MNPS's with your MNPS email, and you will click in the calendar, and that's how you'll join for the synchronous learning in there. Okay. Now, so that's the homework page that I wanted to show you. Remember, on the homework page where you see this info button every time, you can always click that info button, and it will take you back to our class website, flyparsons.info, for all your info. Remember, here's the virtual learning button where everything is that you need to remember about for virtual learning. That homework button is also there. You can get to it. So just a reminder, if you have questions, don't forget to text me and I will help you. All right. See you guys at 12 o'clock on Zoom.